3D printing, also known as additive manufacturing, has emerged as a transformative technology with the potential to revolutionize various industries. This video delves into the world of 3D printing, exploring its applications, benefits, challenges, and the profound implications it holds for the future of manufacturing. 3D printing enables rapid prototyping, allowing designers and engineers to quickly iterate and refine product designs. The technology facilitates the production of highly customized and personalized products tailored to individual needs and preferences. Unlike traditional manufacturing methods, 3D printing can create complex geometries and intricate structures that are difficult or impossible to achieve with conventional techniques. With 3D printing, products can be manufactured on demand, reducing inventory costs and enabling just-in-time production. 3D printing can reduce material waste, lower production costs for small batch productions, and eliminate the need for expensive tooling and molds. Rapid prototyping and on-demand manufacturing shorten lead times and accelerate product development cycles. Design constraints imposed by traditional manufacturing processes are minimized, allowing for more innovative and optimized product designs. 3D printing offers environmental benefits such as reduced energy consumption, lower carbon emissions, and the ability to recycle materials. The range of materials suitable for 3D printing is currently limited compared to traditional manufacturing methods, although research is ongoing to expand the material options. Ensuring consistent quality and reliability across 3D printed parts can be challenging, particularly for critical applications in industries such as aerospace and healthcare. The ease of digital replication raises concerns about intellectual property rights, piracy, and unauthorized copying of designs. Regulatory frameworks governing the use of 3D printing in industries such as healthcare and aerospace are still evolving, requiring careful navigation to ensure compliance and safety. 3D printing has the potential to disrupt traditional supply chains by enabling distributed manufacturing and localized production. Shift in manufacturing paradigm. The widespread adoption of 3D printing could lead to a fundamental shift in the manufacturing paradigm with implications for employment, skills training, and economic development. As 3D printing technology matures and becomes more accessible, it will empower individuals and organizations to unleash their creativity and drive innovation in product design and manufacturing. Industries ranging from healthcare and automotive to aerospace and consumer goods are already experiencing the transformative effects of 3D printing, with further advancements expected to reshape entire sectors. 3D printing represents a paradigm shift in manufacturing, offering unparalleled flexibility, efficiency, and customization capabilities. As the technology continues to advance and its applications expand, the possibilities are endless. From revolutionizing supply chains to fueling innovation and sustainability, 3D printing is poised to redefine the way we design, create, and consume products in the future. Thank you for watching this video, and I will see you in another video soon.